What's up, guys? Steve, Almetal Dryerman, back again. One-story house, vent run through the crawl space. Okay, it is metal ductwork, I've already checked. The dryer's on, and you can't even, you may be able to hear it through the phone, but there's a lot in this one, guys. So, let's clean out a dryer vent. It'd be nice to pull this off, but it's being tricky, and I don't want to break it, so I have to be careful with all that. But that's just right here, guys. All right, let's see. And this is why your dryers are taking 1, 2, or 2, 3, sometimes 4 cycles to dry one load of clothes. This is why. Power is expensive, guys. I don't care how you look at it. This 220 volt, 30 amp circuit. This is a lot of power. All right, guys, I still have some work to do, but I don't want to make the video too long. But you guys see that. AlmetalDryerVent.com. Check out my Quick Connect periscope. Takes the place of your flex hose behind the dryer. Dryer shoves right back in. Seals every time. AlmetalDryerVent.com. Thank you guys. Ha! About forgot. Now listen to the airflow. A little bit different. AlmetalDryerVent.com. Thank you guys.